Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh, no, absolutely not. Oh, no, absolutely not.
When Amber's ex-attorney Elaine claimed that Amber could not afford to pay her judgment, the public was able to figure out that she no longer had money. Now people have started noticing how she is handling her insurance and are questioning the legality of the entire matter. A fan on Reddit said, "Isn't near as Amber Heard running a Ponzi-like scheme and paying her legal fees? When she has insurance companies pay legal fees and she has the same insurance companies sue her, and she will have another set of insurance companies pay for those legal fees, and the cycle continues. Wonder how mainstream media will react when she gets caught in this kind of scam." A Ponzi scheme is a form of fraud that lures investors and pays profits to earlier investors with funds from more recent investors. Named after Italian businessman Charles Ponzi, the scheme leads victims to believe that profits are coming from legitimate business activity. For example, product sales or successful investments, and they remain unaware that other investors are the source of funds. Amber Heard's former insurance provider took measures to not be held responsible for paying the actress legal fees and damages after her defamation case with ex-husband Johnny Depp. The day after the verdict, her lawyer Elaine said Heard planned to appeal and she can absolutely not afford to pay the damages amount. Bredehoft said in closing arguments that Heard had racked up $6 million in legal fees by that point. Heard requested a mistrial and a potential redo on the case, claiming the wrong juror was seated for the proceedings. Right after she requested for the mistrial, New York Marine and General Insurance Co. filed a lawsuit seeking to not be forced to cover Heard's legal defense fees and expenses for the multi-million-dollar trial or any subsequent appeal. The provider covered Heard from July 18, 2018 to July 18, 2019, which spanned when the Washington Post op-ed was published in December 2018 and when Depp sued Heard in March 2019. The insurance company says the $1 million policy doesn't cover willful acts and noted there was a change in her legal defense team from the one they initially agreed upon.
Statement was false. Answer: yes. Question: the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer: yes.
The jury's factual findings established that Heard's liability is caused by the willful acts of Heard. As a result, as a matter of California public policy and pursuant to California Insurance Code 533, the policy does not provide coverage for Heard's liability as reflected in the judgment order entered on June 24, 2022. That California law states that an insurer is not liable for a loss caused by the willful act of the injured. On October 1, 2019, New York Marine accepted Heard's defense of the underlying action subject to reservation of rights. The filing reads, specifically, New York Marine advised Heard that New York Marine would provide a legal defense, but that to the extent California law does not permit an insurer to indemnify the insured, no indemnity can be provided. According to the Los Angeles Times, a different insurance company, Travelers Commercial Insurance, has supported Heard via a 2018 homeowners insurance policy. Travelers sued New York Marine to make it pay half of Heard's defense costs, the outlet reported, and New York Marine countersued. This has sparked controversy over the fact that Amber might be using Travelers Commercial to pay her other insurance company, New York Marine. And this in itself is the Ponzi scheme. A fan on Reddit said, "The way she structures her payment of legal fees by having insurance companies shoulder them looks like a Ponzi scheme." Everyone, let's not forget that this video is based on theories and my opinions and should not be considered facts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.